we sat in this country for 8 good years. When Kwabrani and we America so on my Etna Finance Ministry for how many years?
8 years.
Yet to me quiet entire almost be 4 years. Not reshuffle cry or be any people say. You only do reshuffle when you are convinced a particular sector is not performing.
Okay.
And that the president holds that discretion. As Ghanaian, you can express. But you cannot point to, sir, Metisena Mobile Lands Minister.
No, but that's right.
Yes.
Because
Alaska. On what basis? Let's say we have done the survey. And based on the survey, we think that this, just original and as well, reshuffle. Now we are reshuffle Parliament now to be a time for so many war, so as a cost to Parliament. That's what I'm saying, sir. You reshuffle based on non-performance. And Konwan Kasana can reshuffle from Parliament. Because Parliament not in for be any so. Or sorry, General National Kasa. What you see is arrogance. People who are very empty but full of themselves.
Empty.
Oh yes.
Not full of themselves.
The word arrogance is a inner sickness. Oh. Answer na who say obi air show arrogance to obi no. There is this element of inferiority complex within them. Alaska, so I think it's very important say obe educate amamanfo who the course because Attorney General Makasa nye na adwuma nkwan so prosecute. He's an agent of this government, our Attorney General and Minister of Justice. So at any point in time, and Nema Air Course has a duty to update people because governance, you know, and yet and non kwansa what to them their way. Namum their way no getting people to know because governance not a multi-stakeholder your friends say engagement are the people are critical stakeholders, so you cannot run a country and leave the people out.
Okay,
so if Ghanaians got to about jina say nkrufobi wia musika and no so mu jina got to aba aban na waba no, you have a duty say every step of the way biano you must inform the people. Amam for say adding to unko court unko prove na say Alaska. Say in politics, no, obi awia usika na say we inform people. Enya court na ekoka no.
Okay.
Court ni pa do say nya kwan ko ho.
That's right.
Court no yes say the criminal aspect of it no, and a court adjudicate, but stop it the Attorney General as an officer and agent of the government to inform people the state of play because okwa onko ka kira man for say asuma see before and asuma see say.
Okay.
Or presented the chronology of event as they've occurred in their logical sequence. Sabaya Ghana new will appreciate and understand kwanya nema faswa echo so that you as a journalist you will not be in a vacuum. Okay. And you come and sit and speak their own pet. Nambum, you will be speaking from a very informed perspective because Abino is divulging information because over the years Adeba come back say ma buying bottom and they say they don't give out information they keep
it to themselves.
Exactly, and whenever you create a vacuum people will fill it with cynicism.
Okay.
And you cannot begrudge them what they feel because you hold the information. If you are not giving it out, then they will make their own information because information naturally will have to flow. So I think that one has to be made clear. Say abang update general public on the state of affairs. Kwanya among for criminal prosecutions are causing and as a former. It's not idea being seen that even in America they do those things. You understand?
Okay.
Because you need to sustain public confidence and let the people know say we are not doing this alone as a government. You are part of it because you voted against the people saying say they stole our money. And any action we are by no taking, they have to keep the people in the dark.
Okay.
No,
okay.
Because governance not yet. President there and then the ministers there. It belongs to the people of this country. With that last time I say catch up about court. So we are judge and I would tell you are dispensing justice in the name of the republic for the people because justice emanates from us.
Exactly.
So you cannot sit in the courtroom and say I am a court into the mepe. It doesn't work in this modern world. So San Attorney General the rule sit here. But Alaska and no because your friend said the last time I catch all the lengthy processes that you need to go through.
That's right.
In case you want to do your friends say extradition for your friend saying where yeah. And me no question back one keep coming up. Yes, Argentina boys no more fraud or has say quickly na Ghana buying atamamo de America for na ye nkro for makoka ho ne de your friend say yentimi ntwe omomma.
That's right.
We see say opasa we ye analysis it's reasonable to do that analysis as from a raw perspective, it's reasonable to make that argument. But when you walk deeper into the issues, then you will come to understand say the issues are quite different.
Okay.
The issues are totally different because issues are irregularity, your friends say repatriation, you know, based on the issue at stake.
Okay.
Because you have a bilateral agreement you sign with the United States of America, and I work on the principle of your friends say your friends say oh yeah no me yama announce why yama me.
Okay.
Reciprocal. And you know say ye here obi na aban no here obi a obe assist ye won so no ye be assist aba, and America has this bilateral your friend saying engagement with a lot of countries, but you see a different when it is a political matter.
Okay.
So obi kwaya fraud internet so na say fraud no no the victims involved American citizen who asem kan repatriation no different because investigation cause no Ghana ban investigation regarding the matter.
Okay.
US ban and I investigation regarding the matter. I don't more present it to you. So based on this treaty we have, we will need these people. But when it is it will be different when America near or your politician, Ghana, not yet repatriating. They will have to go through a cumbersome process, just like an Ofori Atta.
Okay.
Because you see, because of your friends abuse of political power and other related ways, they do it in such a way, say. Yamfa use opportunity na yamfa enwechi hante obi in the name of political persecution.
Okay.
That is a critical clause. And in politics, when it's a political matter and you want to repatriate, Abrante US for Pena are repatriating Julian Assange, your friend saying WikiLeaks.
That's right.
Wakotana equated embassy UK for almost like how many years in there?
So many years.
So many years. US of all countries, episode repatriating on twin society for how many years in there? So when it is a political matter, it's a different thing. So that comparison say, internet fraud, see exchange for Ken Ofori Atta, that is not the case. It's a different ball game altogether when it comes to repatriation, because political issues, are a bit more complex and more complicated because you need to adduce evidence to convince the other counterparty say nipa na you repatriating no indeed why bone ampa na enye se tan na wotan no.
That's right.
And I say enam say wonni ni political party bi ana say wona na nya adwen about bibibi nti and I over father than a cop. A bassa ma kwine. So in that case, you need to adduce evidence. I am very credible. That is why we needed an indictment. I credible bit in the court of competent jurisdiction.
Okay.
And now we now almost say indictment is already no. That indictment is going back to the US.
That's right. For them to also study.
Will be submitted to the DOG. And the DOG and the State Department, after working things out, will go to U.S. Federal Court. We'll give it to a judge for a judge to examine the case. And a judge is satisfied, say indeed, Neamana ye accuse Ken Ofori Atta Chrome Ghana a bonnet. Oko America a bonnet or Makacha said the crime ye accusing is a why should be the same thing, should be a crime in America.
Okay.
The why yes, we are caught to the someone who say yes, ya indicted and basis in here and your witch hunting and your BBR, then the case will refer back to the State Department and the DOG, and they will make a final determination as to whether the person will have to be repatriated or not. So the final discretion, even aside the court, will depend when the State Department is convinced that Nipano and your political witch hunting. And everybody sends you call all this ordeal. And young man boy, yes, why should we go through this if you know say why about papa? And again, Osama update about this woman. Your friend is saying, said the numbers. Also, extradition process now go through. On no crime the other day, U.S. Federal Court or DSM she's supposed to be extradited to Ghana.
That's right.
Until the other day has been completed.
Good.
But you need a red light from the State Department to say you're the number.
And now I'm going to continue with
the sentence for her. So it's not as if you said that case, I'm not watching it. That case, I think the repatriation process started in Akufo Addo.
That's right.
We'll go through all the court process and has been heard, and it's in the final way they need to clear for her to be repatriated. So those who are saying, say, you can offer a tank one amount for near brain, so woman, so the case is pending. Say US for the green lighter, she will have to come back to this country because we are taking no prisoners. what the bonnet. It doesn't matter where NDC and MPP. Masa, so issues has to be made clear. And that is the fact. But maybe say Ken Ofori Atta the all year na mana there say and yare so yare.
Na deliberate.
I can't say I'm taking it serious. Catch that will say there is no way this guy will come into this country.
Sir.
And the all in your neck crocodile the John. And then I bet daddy. And Obia also yare, Winyanye Bonne or Ghana, and you are willing to come. Oba, John Mahamadu you be or you're vindictive.
That's right.
Oh, Bakasa Wabanti and Chom Fanquesha prison. He's not somebody who do those things. And Attorney General Kramer gave him all the assurances. Said, Oba, due processing near mess or go through Bia. Yaruba firm. And yes, Oba and Obia Banda or Nedo to prison. It doesn't work like that. And you know, be assured, say, Win himself when you're Boniabra. But the gentleman is not willing. Because I don't want to know how Brabo Bonia, Wabo, no one can the political party for crossority and only so the only way over to me, I say, play this I am sick card, playing the emotional card. Now on fan stay, and now I'll go to the point of hiring top US lawyers
to defend.
Federal court now this indictment case never come. Omo Bekwa could defend their case. Case no that no. But a political beneath it a political undertones a witch hunt and on that basis so bad and life will be in danger and that is the only reason he's hired the lawyers. Yes, to tell you as a bind say Nkrofo no omabo me ho podada the cases you mo raise wo hanyira mo boa se menya koduru sei omode me be shem I will not get fair hearing in Asafonum. This is why he is insisting on say all getting US lawyers on his side to make this point because maybe original is here no or no or advantage change.
That's right.
Especially when he's also playing I am months ago catch us when somebody is playing I am sick card. What we be beyond we are US for say Monfanana play mono. If he begins to play the I am sick card, to make nonsense of all the process, then you have to any court in some BM it will go to the hospital for the hospital to prove. And so what's under court to BM. Say no any issues no BM.
And for now, Krano, you go to take crap or citizenship way so some crab almost citizen cradia. Just a whole
Alaska enter America say you see these guys are jokers. Nobody should take them serious because so your friends say kwanya US are buying afaso your friends say Ken Ofori Atta afaso akondat no ho e wo kroma say na these guys are jokers to the stand say this is the finance minister of the Republic of Ghana one of the most powerful people kroma na wo yi ni patria binum kra so a powerful chain Bawumia.
That's right.
And the most powerful person wo krowem na ye kind of uyi president for na Ken Ofori Atta or na masoja for the kura na bag de ne koba nti de na asesa wan kasa ma me kuro papa kuro untumi ma hasei and adie we so one mama catch say is going to be an indictment on him forever
and that of his family
and that of his children because your child will walk to school and people will tell him that oh papa kwasi ampanyi no fa sika odwan ya wantimi ma kuro okowu obi man so no
so ka kwasi ampanyi kura o papa kuromfo no
yes na say kuromfo no kwasi ampanyi the difference be anim obi a wi ahiafo sika de obi a wi ahiafo sika de
obi betumi aye kwasi ampanyi so no ye kuromfo
Alaska enti this is the kind of your friend saying brand ya ne ma ebebe e wo kroma sei if you to kwan kra na manfo hia that is the kind of idea manfo de beto so it is a wunim say wunyanya ebone a me say Akufo Addo kra na nam kroma sei president Akufo Addo ono otam Ghana sika kotu amana say yenye your father say
cathedral
yenye cathedral na no mete say na din ya spouse ha na say this year World Cup na ya tom sika no na wa oba we ne World Cup ru benya $50 million na mo ni agi ball mo nsem na me say mo nim bibi yete kroma World Cup win na sika mienu sika na omo kotu amana no ete say Ghana win World Cup mienu World Cup na ye kobia na no mo ma $10 million ye ni agi no World Cup no say Ghana ko na ye win cup no na ade chi no mo so mo sen abofoforo na ye sen akobo na ye san win a sika benya free sa World Cup mienu no
obi di atu amana
wo na nipa tena se di nkurasesem wei
anya nkurasesem nipa bonefo sem
Alaska na kwabra ne tena krom ha egu amanfo bank ene papa kwasi ndiom eye ye fence me hu se dem se okafo eno nam krom asai
kara
ono ankasa ntimi nante wo krom a osi krom no ye ono nko obi di ababo ne timaku no because obi sika kwa akodi ho. Somebody called me and says Nisika over there 400,000 ekodi Gold Coast way accusing Papa Kwasi Ndiom so oni na di Nisika but ebia na enyo no.
That's right.
But kwabra need the Timoden and apart from say Kwasi Ndiom abaye ekawura no my life is also in danger because I am not sure say Papa Kwasi Ndiom can walk on the street of Ghana free of fan nwadi obi hu no call so kwakwaji Nisika. Your friend say other banks, GT Bank. He say Papa no, wa dying motivational speaker at various platforms.
UT Bank was say after say we go ni bank kura wie no. Wa sankura osizi ni password bibia later wa kura send the passport ni man no. Ni ba graduate to America all the kwa amaka to American embassy say mayemfa.
Besa mano.
Mpa it was say ni niam no e no kokokra ntumi.
Oh boni e nkrofo waiting na saa nipa we na ono dwana kwatena America omra kuro meyi na no obi anya mfa asem to so you say you were the person at the center of all the financial controversy across okroma say bra na beyi wa no na yehu said nsem no sitie de ade ato so no come and clear your point say enya me ya na say na tie court no nipa na tie kodi asem o yentimi nchichira asem mfa nsha wo kwa abranya wo na wo ye mfa nkoto prison. Now the very moment you wave this and decide to fight it, so to the extent that just a minor attempt to extradite you, and then no, sign kohan lawyers are. How shameless these people are, and how dangerous Akufo Addo is by bringing in these petty criminals to come and run this country down. 2.3. And the President Akufo Addo Tinchen, no be a winya GDA when the Musa or my finance minister, some crass the same way not Tinchen. How will you feel as a person?
Dabio, I don't know to me say well orchestrators or mutanase, see a baby. Now we are Ganiko.
Now, Janet, we are never gonna through Krum. We will be a Yansania, Oma, Mikro Papa Krum, Ubagana Frukum, and you can't come back. And so what declare her persona non grata?
That's right.
Minimum Biana Mawo, Ebia Obetia for Sumasia, a Piomuna de Accordia. Alaska. So you see, the onus may lie on the state, but larger part of this onus lie on Ken Ofori Atta.
That's right.
And for me, his unwillingness to come no is a huge indictment on him, Akufo Addo, and the very people who were defending him.
And even the party.
And the party. And I had a party, yeah. I done into jokers, and I'm for them social platform and Sabian some Hunin some phone, Casafino, one am no moke cancer. Look at the party. And this is the product you gave us, Ken Ofori Atta. On Namana. Washisha white to Bible na sa kromo no se onim se nipa do na nim nyansa.
That's right.
And do time Bible na nam na yenya mini pa you convince a lot of people. You understand? Because nipa na ohia na adwendwen ti no. The very moment I befa Bible so nam so nyame asem na no ano no obi abedi wachi. And this guy was able to fool everybody in this country. Not knowing say they were running Ponzi schemes. When we were here telling people, they thought say we didn't like Akufo Addo, and then when we are here, the whole finance minister cannot, and other person can hold any years. That's
right. Now who will be here?
Alaska, and you see because orchestration, you know, omo ye na no aban no was no mu Ghana ye. Then they are seeking to create impressions. You find saying chief of staff. And a man of crime, hoping telling people say a chief of staff under this government. No, a chief of staff under the same government permitted him to leave because the letter was submitted to him at the time. No, not transition and happy in place.
Right.
John Mahama, even though was president, he didn't have any power because Akufo Addo was president. So they did everything that they could to run away. And this bring back to Amamu Akufo Addo bebu ye. Ti etanane cultural say a dark page in a political history. Don't sit there and emotionally say open penasem. Amamu boni obebu ye na hunsun so to the stand say o mind ba akutimi de within 4 years. eco capital market because I say Yamakwan yetime ko bobosia kwabrane ko raise over $11.4 billion bakroma 11
na ade yakura so osan use ni bank as transactional advisors it buse bi obebo bia no na ni bank
Alaska and see the difference between NDC and MPP within 4 years 4 years by within 2-3 years yakobo bosia $11.4 billion bakroma yehu ade ayede ye to Mahamadu ba power within 1 year less than 1 year Sammy Gyamfi outfit I raise sikasa
8 billion.
I can tell you that by the end of this year that money will be around 10 billion for just 1 year but kwabrane the 4 years ko bob bosia 11 billion to Mahamadu ba nothing has changed. It's just the thinking keke realign priorities and making sure that we concentrate on how you better mobilize sika for mine. Gold board, gold. Gold okroma say.
No,
say gold no harder.
That's right.
So all that they needed to do is to bring wisdom to bear and make sure that the state become the only medium of export of gold in this country, and the money will come to the central bank. That's the only thing. This joker sat in this country, borrowed this particular country into hell, into a hole. After that, the sikani din semhunu ehye sikani nyina de bi kotu amana ba sofo pa mombe ne nam ho bo kotu kase obi bejira no kasa because am ne hawo abaka kira obi ba konda sora no pa bia na esi na nim timi ye school feeding odidi bone nim wi a o
asofo anda nanado
Alaska omalo mo de cathedral chi obone mini hoho ase ne classmate na Yesu when ni na chi a chesa ono de ti din semhunu okrom ha ehye Ghana sika. And these people are out there telling us, oh, your friend is saying, my resign free board. So, and I'm right. Say, and I want kind of crunch, and I will join. The cost on one. Yeah, young cry, a tin chan, sort, and some who would get in a while. So, one answers so in your mini pan, one who answer who are deal with, or cobble my new Robert and have a catcher. Say, now my resign, I didn't tell me, I will join. You're from all the wind you're doing. Nipana catchers are on for my sicana, ya yeah, dash out millions of dollars, you know. Nasicane fruit and now never nothing if papa on a neighbor. Kromana and cannot crack. Intina ye bre munipan kan okre
but nana do ni papa ni
Alaska ye beko so abre wo man we ma me na no na meka me se lumba case ba ye na me hu say I now understand why ahiafo beko so ye ahiafo because even with this poor society aye wo mean people are not your friend say nippon kan okre friend say
nippon kan
yes
you're truthful.
Yes, that is a society, very corrupt society, a society devoid of morals. Yeah, na ohiani numpo nka no kre na sikani na beka no kre ohiani onu onni di obedi no onu kra nka no kre na sikani na be so the society is cursed miss ana mi hu oh yes
cursed
Alaska now the society is cursed now Alaska if you are morally corrupt you can never be successful unless obefa kwan for so one for kwan bebere so obefa so obefa ska but what we are now we are morally corrupt you will never be successful in life. Yes, people make money. They are not way morally whatever, but people have other means. So we bet me out on drugs and yenisika.
That's right.
Or we bet me out for money. But some may bobra papa adia ye. If you are morally corrupt or boah. And because that is nature. Nature has its own prescriptions and nature has its own principles. This society is a very corrupt society, Ghana. We know who she am say lumba situation by just come through and you understand why ahia never cause was here for no woman be say di here e dia wu our mona na no masia ba be dibi because the society is a very corrupt society. And for me I think say Ken Ofori Atta na Akufo Addo do mo ye e toda ya but afeme ye mu binu ye stance ya fa dada say Alaska o man na ye team no sa na be ye. And the Ekóse, you still get people who come out there and defend and say, oh, Ken Ofori Atta. And what boy from a we no, or see Makruma, and when Jessica at the high top judges in America to go and defend him. The Attorney General will do his best to ensure, say, on by the Nabakruma say, but say, no, he has the upper hand. Well, you Ghana government, because it is a political matter, yes, sir, Ken Ofori Atta, yahoo. And not to say Abutre Kanum Diabino Waka America. I don't know we may not have to go through any process.
But
when it is a political extradition, this is the point I want Ghanaians to understand. Say, when it is a political extradition, it's a different thing. So I've listened to people say, "Why didn't I get number say That is a very narrow argument to make. You need to understand the extradition, what is involved, and how these treaties are. If it is any other case, Obiakotomona, Ghana Niakotomona, our America. Our crew and we're gonna quote America and extradition are very easy.
Okay.
But when it is a political matter, especially when the person is a high politically exposed person or hold a position of a finance minister, you need to convince. That is why my culture say WikiLeaks or more CEO no that still America hasn't been able to extradite him. Snowden. They haven't been able to extradite him because these are high profile political cases. It's a different ball game altogether. So I think that obi blemuna mamboya for no omo anes ye blemu omo na Ken Ofori Atta dey me say forever and never na busia na yere na made they will be walking on the hall of shame forever because the omo ye eno hunsun so omo deserve eno ana eba yi they kai mamenka say deal. I know Dompre so obinya den.
President Mahamadu reshuffle.
No ankasa kra na reshuffle na ye ya say go tifie.
But you're speaking to the mic.
Call parliament now one fa so obi ani ni so. Oh, Alaska fa so obi apart from science hunu ni sa dede hunu na chinje hunu no dey no mo ye. These are people who have professed that they will sabotage the government. E dey ben biem. Ono ankasa konwa na oteso no. Asem wo ho.
Okay.
Ni ti anye ye kwa bi obukwa akotena fie.
Ni ti anye ye.
Oh yes. Na say na ni issue no court.
That's right.
And opposition no mo ye no. Omo mfa nye ne ma ebe ma Ghana ni anya rehemu na hotoso. Say o ka asem kra na nyansa say ma Ghana ni be fa o serious. Alaska. Look at incident upon incident upon incident. The position nsema akoso e parliament. I say any number no. And here they say cause confusion, commotion or parliament. Now I say he who comes into equity must come with clean hands.
That's right.
And then you can't about the reshuffle. Alaska, we sat in this country for 8 good years. When Kabrani and we Ghana in America so my etna finance ministry for how many years?
8 years.
Me quiet and tie almost by 4 years. Not reshuffle cry or be anye bi say. You only do reshuffle when you are convinced a particular sector is not performing.
Okay.
And that the president holds that discretion. As Ghanaian you can express. But you cannot point to sir, but it's a mobile lands minister ding.
No, but that's right.
Yes.
Because
Alaska. On what basis? Let's say we have done the survey. And based on the survey, we think that this just original Nazwa Yanya reshuffle. Now we are reshuffle parliament now to be a time for so many war so as a course to parliament. That is what I'm saying, sir. Yeah, reshuffle based on non-performance. And Konwan Kasana can reshuffle from parliament. Because parliament not in for so be any so. Or sorry, General National Kasa. What you see is arrogance. People who are very empty but full of themselves.
Empty.
Oh yes,
but full of themselves.
The word arrogance na inner sickness oh. Answer na be who say obi show arrogance to obi no. There is this element of inferiority complex within them. So he thinks talking down on others will make him feel superior.
Okay.
So obi abe who say arrogant be yare anya hwe. Oh yes.
Arrogance who say
yare yes. There is a defect with it. Last time I can't say, people should take it serious. See, growing up, no who a mabi, and a party, I sorry them, a realty, I sorry them, and a joti, I sorry them, or bompire or coba, I sorry call meeting, Odim, I sorry to coin, just a dear sorry baby at home. What in China who knows? Hey, I buy idea donya mio, no warren, Alaska, there is a void within, and getting closer to we no a way of consolation. Do what in charge of some yame or nyame no do minka so munyina but half psychologically no the church is a place of refuge. If you know they are empty, only obia to rely on. So they find the church as a refuge.
Okay.
And they are sorry, baby, she's ready because there is a void.
Empty. So
yes, to fill herself. And this is one who said, "No, who know what Jane say? Oh, or Nyame no dono." That is why a man to me the kako wara suffer maybe no more no hono.
Suffer mommy.
Yes. Open nipo mudia we ho we ase a. Yes, uncle for no wara suffer na.
Asofo no yire.
Yes, because my catcher say,
"Mo pop wa no ten."
Yes. Say we no be to anamon. Na we move forth one ho a. Catcher ho say we share bonsam dwan ntem. Oh yes.
I know can some.
Me can some. Say we no be sia. Now we have a life when you know fought to be out on one. Gane, the way she born some. Because when you walk in and you get to know who that person really is, if you are not catchy. It just of my man, Sanka, but him no be in confidence. Open the palm suffer was as is or more.
Because
no, they go with a badge of innocence. Oh, I ran here no hojo and as for. So when you assume somebody a hojo or never now kohua. Then everything takes you by surprise. By that time, maybe I walk here, we are in ye. And there come my any beep in the road there. Bag on number be a good bag.
As of
beep in the road way there. Got nasty stuff, I be who know. And yard the ketua. Until oh, dear, no honey for my hair now.
Was sure them or Pia Bontia. They said,
well, some it's better you identify Nippon the short for near. Then you know. Then you try to work. Wait me adjust, wait me complementing now to get it better. But the who here one honor. And none so no minja window and no be but majority, 190%. Very dangerous. Wow. Very, very, very dangerous. So sa situation with here, there is a void within. And going to church, going for meeting every minute, it's a way of dodging from a reality. Be a woman. She doesn't want to be alone and get exposed to that. And they always find connection or the whole jija or the whole shabi bim. Sabi will feel complete. Sana arrogance here. And nipa no moye that last time I catch all here nipa bu na arrogance and sa aggression people na. Dodo na ya nkra brim. Ye shena ni oya.
Okay.
Ta Kennedy Agyapong no suban no bi no. Am krabrem ye tena omoso. Like as a wono biti nche na o hye wani ya like me hu se
na afi wa be soro.
Nya sa wo soro kra. No sana nipa tie.
Okay.
Mind ne ye fra de be compensatory mechanism. Enti no se who so as obi si wusu na even wade wo ho kra no at the back of your mind you think say manye tofa sa childhood exposure na beba biem.
I say obi aye nipa tietia. Na dey so bre no ho ase a. Enti I was say to me
manye hasha.
Ti say nanado sorry na bi.
And they lack self confidence as well. Enti no e so o impose ma wo hu say ono so wo ho.
Me tietia akura na.
Yeah, authority that kind of way no. Enti and I make say psychologically if you understand some of these things that never be so you will not be surprised. What I say enti sa na tie arrogance no sa na tie what in cha adwene say obunu no say I avoid a tokro danemu and shouting down looking down or tiatia manfo no na sefo no and man feeling important.
That is hostile.
Yeah.
Don't get close to exposing the weakness.
Exactly. The last time I call, yeah, I'm crying. I see teacher new way to they have weakness. So getting close will get that particular weakness exposed. And you about that and not deliberate. A natural, a compensatory way about deny. So in order to ward off people, no, and of course will be a wooden age in general to be Kenyan. Now my head talk.
Okay.
And you know, or no ye boot to boot intellectual argument enko ba bia man. By a dining talk they say we dodge the subject, ye did you want them. And that is in the area of specialty. So arrogance, you know, and so when you see these people's original man so and now look it down upon others men really say oh yeah we inferiority complex and they think that bullying others will make them feel complete. That is all that is why they're unable to walk away. Look at Parliament. Afenyo Markin sorry no kasa. That is why the last time we majority leader and shutting it down. No? So you cannot just talk down on everybody.
That's right.
The Chief Justice was sitting there. He thinks that speaking in that particular manner, no, will make him feel big. But Alaska, I believe in making a point with valid and cogent reasoning. Nipa betimi separate you from a lot of people. Say, this guy is making a lot of sense without being aggressive. But in your natural state, some now what kind of 20 pasum nyansa people can relate rather than say sorry jina me ma command and say for respect.
Okay.
We don't demand
respect and so reciprocal.
Exactly. Now no Kennedy Agyapong na mo say they what turn down 500,000. Wo dey bia na auto de mo bi. Alaska nyansa for be na ye on wo ye papa mo bi a wo na akogina abonten akoka. The very moment you see people out there, men are mebo away, men are me say typical example onim nyansa. Ko wo ye papa mo bi a nipa no mom na so okodi hu adanse e enye wo ye papa no na akogya na me na me say na me na me say and nyansa ni bia tinche obo se enkoradwene na wo tim ko wo ye papa mo bi a enye wo na akoka nipa na wo ye papa man no so feel say indeed wo ye papa man na the person will have to one can just let it go. You don't go around telling people say na wo ho kire na me na me to dan man no na ho kire na me say ni nyina kire the defective mind the kind of way or mind in the womb. So some of these things, and for me, I am very disappointed in the way and manner things are playing around, especially with the minority and the way and manner or more your monema. And Assembly and Robert Ghana for before serious. Now, last we live in the country always via opposition and down for and your minor and now buying them the baby. But John Mahama buying with 1 year. I buy no madam for the Ghana for. And now no make catch you and no social media. You might be tempted to think, say, I buy na kotoni public social media, someone casamano.
Serious.
So, social media na ya to by we. You might be tempted to think, say, I buy na kotoni public social media because there is a natural trend, still a go against the opposition, which is but the trend is supposed to go against the government,
which is unusual.
A child say that your friend saying, head. Hardness, toughness, aggression, disrespect, still Ghana for who. Now, no many are work on platforms or say, you're to abananka Ghana for better about my MPP, no more film. Say, Habranti, minimum sukra monum, na minimum biano kura wudi, and a minimum katakra dasso. Because as a normal, reasonable person, I don't know, I dare bet me influence you are with me at TV, so I'm making such argument when you understand the trend, the phenomenon. Unless when the common sense and young Tokana what decide say when the common sense and young Tokana what decide say who you soon be
Ivan.
Oh yes.
Why someone walking on the floor of Parliament?
Okay.
And Afenyo is original.
Okay.
Now I did also okay same be say and then I was telling we say ignorance. Say who advertise here it becomes what idiocy.
Yes. Yes. They say ignorance is bliss.
It's bliss.
But when you advertise it publicly,
it becomes idiocy.
Yeah.
I deal with family. Afenyo is sorry on the floor of Parliament. I didn't know can a young but or you know can send no correct.
Okay.
And I don't go banner up to say or yen fem. Let's listen.
It is 3%. It is no more 3%. If this bill is passed, you are taking it to 15%. Tell me that I'm lying. Tell me I'm lying. Real estate from 5% you are going to 15%. Are you maintaining the current threshold or you are increasing it? And by increasing does it not amount to imposition of tax? Look, we are wide awake. We are watching every move of yours. We are watching you. Yes, he should come and rebut.
Mr. Speaker, it is important for us not to mislead the people of Ghana. Mr. Speaker, if you were a trader and you were charged a presumptive tax of 3% that he's referring to, you went to a warehouse to go and buy the stocks that you came to sell, there was an imposition of a tax. There was an imposition of a tax that you did not recover. So if you wanted to tell the effective rate that the person paid, it is the 3% plus what he paid at the warehouse to buy the stock. Today, what he paid at the store would be allowed as a deductible expense. It will be an input VAT. So if he now has a value of 2%, it is 2% is charged, technically. Exactly. So for anybody to ignorantly say that if you move from 3%, to 15%.
Honorable Adongo, please withdraw the word ignorant.
Mr. Speaker, I withdraw. That effectively, if you look at this, we said the tax that you are expecting, there is a revenue neutral. Why do we say that? You lose some. Listen, you lose some, you gain some. So what you get is that person who was losing the cost of the material that he bought in terms of VAT now gains. Okay? But in addition to that, 3 billion Ghana cedis is being made available by decoupling, by abolishing the decoupling of the NHIL. And so the effective VAT rate, Mr. Speaker, is that you are moving from 21.95% to 20%. Let anybody tell me that you would like to pay a tax of 21.5 as opposed to 20. I don't know where my minority leader wants to tell me that he would prefer to pay a tax of 21.95 instead of 20. That is what it is. So please, let us not mislead the people of Ghana for the sake of politics.
92.3.
So yeah, that is it.
But one with the way what touchy some emotions with so throw the two paper now on social media language, you know. About we all say what yes.
So if you do this, besides credibility bang and a wuja in your work, you are in a position you're supposed to convince people. But when I catch yourself politics now, we are a political party, and you always appeal to your base. That political party in Tumponda. Okay. That is a particular class of people we are outside your political circles. You need to communicate to appeal to them and convince them to be on your side. And the question maybe say, so where the state MPP women the conduct of the so-called aspirants on the campaign trail, plus the conduct of the minority in parliament, you know. Now we have party leadership. I know when you say your friends say chairman of crime say we and abusian for so be fan course e dey you. No be say intellectual bang and this argument can convince that person to buy. So the prevailing uproar on social media now reflected the tattered state of the party.
The tattered state.
Oh yes, the tattered state of the party, and the fact is people are operating at the behest of personal twisted emotions. They are not amenable to reasoning. People have become so arrogant. Issues create that I say funny church nipa buy wisdom from Ghanaians and Ghana for be taking our side, you know. They will not. Young free parliament, young sorry, young say now appropriation bill no more 15 way pass it through because they were up there.
Sir.
So besides I say nipa na what for Obama say representing no representation papa ben and a war. Na wona wo ho ayefia odaga tema na mo so finance minister kura dwane. You are not even asking helping how e dey baba kroma say. You are asking say aban enresafo obi. Economy na enne, wo compare na enne. Now compare the na woman no ya. What reasonable basis do you have to suggest say yan resafo obi? You don't have. Men na wo betimi atena aka che John Mahama say e bia asumasi but no, you don't have that credibility because the whole finance minister makofa na ba ye adwana free ne ma me kuro adwana free ne papa kuro ma ne or high lawyers say oh ma ne ma me kuro or say me am kuro me nko biem
because my bokuro no.
This shameless your friend specter is hanging. You sit in parliament and you shamefully talk about Obi. So I'm also land minister. Alaska, I can tell you, sir, the land ministry is one of the toughest ministry in recent times. But the gentleman has been able to navigate the storms. And then I say for now, lithium do year by year. Ghana for sorry, sir. Watch the way you're buying. But the answer no, because of A, B, C, D, no. The government has decided, okay, let's withdraw it. Lithium no media. Ghana for there. So if this is the conversation that has been activated, fine. Young person, young re-engage. That is how. That is what you call governance.
But we will pass it.
Alaska,
we will pass it.
Governance. Me say governance. Say we no mistake. aban be no mistake we ase but say we mistake and I say wo ya de na nipa de na no tom na wo hu nyansa say me on mine I'm running, I'm running for a group of people. If this is what they are saying now, let me pause and engage. That is phenomenal. That is a sign of a good leader. But beside what say at the time no ye nyansa chance ni bi. He left your Ghana for buofu na kwabrane dia cake e di birthday. Hey. Yase mamu ko han jet. Na ya ko han jet na besi tamake so na yetuaka. Yes, President Gary will win. Alaska, you see, in politics, but comparative analysis is very key because the remnant of this dangerous behavior that these people lived, we are still served with it. That's right. Ken Ofori Atta, and now Mahamadu Bawumia, he has to go and find money to pay bond holders. That's right. That money could have gone somewhere. What I say? So if you think you can thrive on misinformation, you will not survive. Oba, people will expose you. Now, no, Brantie Kwatana do me from no say, or say, I buy not $10 billion. Ye, I said no cano. No, I said that to the one while in Dobri, Sabaya. Dobri, Sabaya, emotionally, people who know, or the can't say, you're serious. Exactly. Sassy, the Okaya sang here, my with a whole crown, say, or Sassicano, and give it him, you bet him the Aqua yet, 24-hour economy. Sika ben and kede ibetimi da 24-hour economy sika no ko he eyira ko he Alaska bakacho say dollar ya kasa dollar ekosora e kire say the circulation in the system na limited amamfo nya. That's right. So they will have to pay more for dollar. So government, because of the interventions in the gold board and there is an influx inflow of dollars. Bank of Ghana ebe keep for reserve. But when you have extra beyond your reserve, what do? You give this money to the commercial banks so that people will have access to the money. That is a simple explanation. It becomes a problem when governments any enough reserve. Because I told the idea of payment for you need $1. But Bank of Ghana say, hey, yes, the IMF is a million as a reserve. No cry them extra. And I am giving money to the central bank. Sebeya, Alaska a businessman. Alaska ye adwuma waboso kan. Na o say $1. When you walk to your bank, GT Bank, you go to Access Banker, you can have access to dollar because Sikano, Bank of Ghana fan check. That's right. When they release these monies to your friends, commercial banks now, they take CDs or any other valuable way. Equivalent to exactly. So where lies the argument to say Sikano can bet me there 25. Now Net2 TV so why you name Dobri or can na host no suit to no na say host na can when your panel host journalist why research about TV so na can answer no yes Alaska so I think that we've gotten to era misinformation will not thrive it will not triumph so me na no soldier for issues by a normal king me say yes, Obia no betimi atena kroma catch say soldier for enhia ya fa ne say improvement. Obia ni ho. But nsema enye no kre no menka ngum. Me da bia me ka say there is a huge gap between officers and say recruit for no 92.3. Omo from say officers na nka say omo after omo officers program no omo soldier for no. Right. And recruits are the blue for no. There is a huge gap. So government and the army will have to do everything to ensure that they bridge that gap. Because right. I know that they do the same job. Even the dirty job, is done by your friends that they recruit, And police, you're from constable. And so from cool time, there has always been a constant friction between the officers and then the junior ranks. You're from the other ranks in your junior ranks. Other ranks. Yes, so always there is a friction because of the disparity in terms of services and benefits. So my recommendation to government is say, let us make sure that the wide gap between the other ranks and the officers, let us bridge it. No, any self-respect. Say because when the two begin to work together. And the army are efficient. So these are valid arguments we can activate. But don't go and lie to people. Say you and 40 years say and I buy no more ketwa. That is a lie. What has happened? So nobody is stopping Obiso being criticized you, but the criticism should be very constructive. The last time when I went to Bawumia camp, I was shocked. Now me call her. Now me visit Bawumia camp here. Krobia a whole fan and for.
I was there this morning.
Oh, Alaska. Me will have me read a whole year. And we can tell government to say. Living conditions in let us improve it. Yes, a bit of service now, or back pay, we can tell our buying say speed up things. I think there is a assurance in as a form. Let us make sure that we do this. These are legitimate arguments. But what is not there, don't put it there. That's my point. What I say. So that is how I build your minor. I'm a minor corner. So minority any credibility to cause a young will be. Because you will be Susana and minority now, that is where the reshuffle should start. Because Afenyo Markin or a leader, we a leader, we the way lead the party will lose opposition. You are supposed to make intelligent argument to convince people to come to your side. Arrogance way when you're the leader. Members of parliament, are winning 88, even the opposition, you are even losing the numbers.
That's right.
This guy organized a press conference and told the whole world, say. A court in the kangaroo court no working for John Mahama and the Supreme Court the ruling by or call for stay ya grant ya mawi
and that just yesterday Suhum just at the Koforudia High Court and so as you say petition be on the by against Suhum sitting MP no it lacks certain merit in where to they were on social media jubilating and now comment section now. So
Alaska. So Achille say change has really happened.
That's right.
And that transformation go both ways. And favor be 92.3. And now we are Ghana near. So Ghana near Ottawa affairs Asemko Supreme Court was be enkwasi ruling na ba nyansa bi anim ordinary person can say na ruling be nie. Na say ne say Supreme Court need to deliver judgment in favor opposition party in the last 8 years. Yenhu bia. You should know, say, at least we are moving from a certain stage to another stage. And that should be an indictment because and with me get to the Chief Justice or panel your friends are judges to hear your case in less than 12 hours.
And we do Friday's crowd.
Yes, Emma win your judgment. And judgment never be a go in your favor. I said, of course, they win a young under that. A toba anagana for some social media. Now no go on social media and say the same Supreme Court. Even though judgment no quotes the interest of our buying,
that's right.
But go to social media. Me on several platforms, I sat on platforms and I have your friends commended the Supreme Court.
That's right.
And for minor no mugun anymore, I'm told say he was part of the panel.
That's right.
What I say? So it shows that these people are dispensing justice based on Nema na ewo hono enye personal emotions and I me say entino say uyo opposition now so be kasana say won kanya nsasema nobody will take you so because for Ghana need your auto abafo no this is what they are getting.
That's right.
I voted for change so that there will be a transformation in the judiciary, especially the Supreme Court.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.